Hey guys, good morning. Sorry I look like a crazy person right now. Oh, why does my hair get so messed up? Anyways, we are sitting in our new car. Josh is driving it to work because I have to drop him off with his work van. And then, yeah, I'm gonna be driving it. But I'm excited. It's so nice, so clean, very luxurious. Yeah, there is some flaws to it. I do have to fix, like, get another wrap for this, but that's like an easy fix. There is like minor scratches on it. It is a used vehicle though, so like I'm not really complaining about that because what can I do? But yeah, I think I'm gonna get the windows tinted today because it's driving me insane. I need them tinted. Like it's weird not having them tinted. So yeah, they posted on our social media and stuff, and yeah, it's weird because the pump, like for the gas, is on my side. Like not my side, but like the passenger side. So it's like weird to adjust to.
Gas, I'm getting the good gas. Put it down the same price as the ring.
So how do you like it, babe?
It's comfy. You want to trade my Evo? I'll trade you my Evo.
No way. His Evo's like, like it bounces everywhere. What should we do this weekend?
Drive this motherfucker.
I know that, but where should we go? Good, I have a double chin and it's so gross. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're gonna head to the office after that. I'm probably gonna pick up a coffee because my God, I'm tired. Let me tell you guys, like I'm so tired. I was like in a dead sleep. Like, you know when you're so like, nothing can wake you up? That's the type of
yeah, that's how I was, and I was like, I'm gonna get up tomorrow early, get my paperwork done early.
We both
6:30, I was like, nah.
yeah, the alarm went off and I was like, oh, it's still dark. And I went to bed. Now, baby. So we just got to Starbucks. Let me open the sunroof. Yeah, we just got to Starbucks and I'm gonna get a coffee. I think I'm gonna do an iced coffee, but yeah.
And I'm gonna do a coffee.
No, Maddie's not doing a coffee.
Well,
Hi, how are you?
Hi, can I get a venti iced caramel macchiato?
I'm sorry, you said a venti iced
Caramel macchiato?
caramel macchiato?
Yes. And
What else for you?
can I get a plain bagel with cheese? Well, cream cheese, sorry.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we do not have that same bagel today. We do have our everything bagels, our shredded plain, and then cinnamon raisin.
Okay, can I do the everything bagel? The everything bagel? Yes.
I'm so sorry. I just found out that we don't have the everything bagel right now. We just like sold our last one, so we only have our sprouted and our vegan. I'm so sorry.
Shit. Okay, 1 second so I can figure out something else. It's okay. Okay, can I get the double smoked bacon, cheddar, and egg breakfast sandwich?
Yeah, double smoked bacon and egg sandwich, and what else for you?
That'll be it.
Alrighty, I will see you after.
Okay, thank you. It's hot. Well, that was annoying.
hi guys, good morning.
Good morning to you. Maddie, it's afternoon though.
Look guys, Mom and Daddy got me flowers today. But it's way too old right now. Okay, get my flower, Mom. Sorry, man.
Clear. I don't want it to crumble.
No, what?
It's gonna crumble everywhere. I said no.
So guys, Mom says that it's getting crumble. But I need to quick to show you. Right, Mom? That's one.
Oh, I got my nails done. I forgot to show you guys.
But I didn't get my nails done.
I was gonna do like something crazy for my birthday nails, but I kind of was just like, I want white nails.
So I will take my birthday TikTok nails. So tomorrow.
Your birthday TikTok nails?
Tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's for tomorrow, guys, right?
Yep. So we're just waiting for Josh right now.
To get mom's card, and I'll get dad or drink. Grandma, out here. Mom, this Abby has a boyfriend. See this, Mom? Huh? Mommy, she does.
What?
Abby has a boyfriend. She does.
Yes, she does.
Guys, Abby has a boyfriend right now. Yes, the day Mom hit my ear on the door. Right, Mom?
Oh yeah, this morning. That was so sad. But yeah, I got my nails white.
I
don't know. I just
nails
don't like really like the shape this time. They're like super long.
But that's not fair, Mom.
I don't know. I know, because you always peel them off. I didn't let her get hers done because she always peels them off. It's so annoying.
No, it's not. No, it's not, Mom.
Okay, Mandy. What is that place called?
Guys, yesterday I just got for my birthday. I got a Barbie dream house for Christmas. It was so fun.
Subscribe to our channel.
And my channel.
And Maddie's channel.
And my dad's channel. And my mom's channel.
Yes.
And Bandit's channel.
Bandit's channel.
And Daddy's channel.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Can you say hi, babe?
Hello.
He's driving my car. I wanted to drive it. This is a problem when you have a new vehicle and both of you want to drive it at the same time.
The guys win.
Yeah, obviously. He's like, oh, you're gonna drive it during the week. And I'm like, really? Really, bro? But right now we are on our way to pick up Madison and also pick up our Walmart to-go order. And then after that, I have to run into Sam's Club real quick to grab like 3 things. Kombucha? But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, and then we're gonna pick up our Walmart order, pick up Maddie, stuff like that. So she's with my sister-in-law. They took her to the pool, so that was nice for her because she got to get out for the day, and yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the Bambino.
3-pack?
Yeah, with the hatch filled chili cheese fries. And a Sprite. Or what other drinks like?
Can you go ahead and order?
Yeah, man. Let me get a number. Let me get a number 3 with a Sprite.
Do you want natural fries or wild fries?
We'll do wild.
All right. What else can I get for you?
And then let me get a number 8, just the 3-pack sandwich.
You want cheese in this?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do an order of the Hatch green chili fries. Mild?
Sorry, the chili cheese fries?
Yeah, chili cheese fries. Yeah.
All right. Do you want those with natural fries or wild fries?
Wild, please. Let me add a Sprite to the order too. Also.
Sorry, missed, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, so I can actually do that in the combo with the 3-pack right there with the wild green chili cheese fries. I'll put that for you. It's going to be a little cheaper for you.
Oh, okay, cool.
Alright, got that all set up. What else can I get for you?
We're gonna do a kids meal, the all natural cheeseburger.
Alright, on the cheeseburger, it does come with ketchup, mustard, and pickle. Is that okay?
No pickles.
No pickles.
No pickles, okay. And then you have your option of wild fries, natural fries, or applesauce?
Nachos.
We'll do natural fries.
Natural fries, perfect. And then what kind of drink did you want? You can do soda, or applesauce juices, or milk, or chocolate sauce.
Apple juice is fine.
So we just got home right now. I tried making a thumbnail for me getting a new car. Obviously that just didn't work out for some reason. So yeah, right now I'm just trying to clean up and do as much as I can. Sorry, I'm like, I want to prop you guys right here. But yeah, so right now I'm just trying to clean up. So I'm just working on cleaning the kitchen. Got to clean up upstairs, and then I am going to do some school. And then hopefully edit a video for my birthday, which I am excited for my birthday. But the only thing that sucks is fuck. This is why you don't tell men to put away the dishes. Pretty sure the lemon squeezer and a straw does not go into the utensils. What the fuck? He's crazy. Anyways, usually I'm super excited for my birthday, but this year I'm kind of like, and like, I don't know. I just don't know. So the kitchen is all clean and pretty again. Josh is playing his video games. I have to take that upstairs. And I'm actually gonna do some school stuff right now. But yeah. Oh yeah, and Maddie left us again to go back with my brother because they're going swimming again. So she's gonna stay the night over. But yeah, so we're gonna hang out. Our anniversary's tomorrow. He doesn't care. But yeah, so I'm excited that the kitchen's clean again. It looks really good and like organized. So that's always a plus. I really don't want to do school, but I have to. I miss her so much. She's my babe. I gotta close that. I'm gutting. Hi, Bandit. Hi. Ow, down.